This shit is crazy. This shit is everywhere, bro. This shit is stuck on there. Man, can you give me a wrench or something?
What kind of wrench?
Just some, or a flathead. So I can.
The flathead right there.
Thank you. Shit. Oh shit. This shit melted on there, bro. Damn, bro, this shit coming out everywhere. Hold on. There it is, chat. That bitch ain't got nothing. No material, fool. Fuck. Holy moly, bro. Pressure plate. Cooked. Pizzy. Flywheel. Oh shit, it's upside down. Flywheel. Kizzy. Holy.
Hold on, the flywheel jump.
It's gone.
That's what that noise be on.
Nah. Or it might be. I don't know. Dang, it's material everywhere. Oh my god. It's clutch material everywhere, bro. Like, look at my hands, bro.